Does anybody like corn as much as I do? Well, today we're gonna make some corn with some butter garlic cheese sauce. Let's get into it. We're gonna start off by boiling some water, and then we're gonna shuck the corn and put the corn in there. Here's our ingredients: corn, cheese. I didn't have any more shredded mozzarella, so that's what we're using today. Butter, garlic, heavy whipping cream. Okay. Oh, and some green onion. Now here's a little secret when you're boiling your corn. My uncle always said to put a little bit of milk in your water or some coffee creamer. I have put milk in here, so. And then I'm just gonna put a little bit of salt. Oh, and I put like a little slither of butter. And we're just gonna let that cook. It's gonna take a little while for it to cook like this, but the results are delicious. Also, measure with your heart, you know. Measure with your heart. Also, after you shuck your corn, make sure you wash it. Okay? Okay. Good. Okay, let's start to make this butter sauce. I'm taking like 3 pieces of garlic. I'll show you a trick how to peel this garlic. I seen this on Harry Potter actually. I mean, they weren't peeling garlic, but this whatever potion he was making from Half-Blood Prince is like crush it, and it's easier to do whatever. So I always crush the garlic because it's easier to peel it off. Just like that. You see how easy that peel came off? It smells so good. Garlic smells so delicious. Crush. I don't think I crushed that enough. There we go. Look at that. You see how the peel came off? I don't know about that piece. It looks a little weird. See, like I'm trying to peel it regular. Not really coming off too good. So let's crush it. Look at that. Perfect. Perfect. Perfectio. All right, let's see. Let's try. Okay, into the pan. You want to turn it on first. Okay. Put your garlic in there. Oh, didn't chop that up too good, did I? Have some of your green onion. I'll have more garlic. Then you got your butter. 1 tablespoon. Heavy whipping cream. Just let that simmer for a little bit. Okay, gonna add some onion, some dried onion, you know. If you know, you know. and pepper. You'll see it start to thicken up. And that's what you want to see. Just a little bit of red pepper flakes because everything's got to be a little spicy. But yeah, cook it with me. So let's do a little bit more heavy cream. And a little Saison, just a little bit. Here I'm adding in that cheese stick, just one cheese stick. And at this point, you just want to take your corn and dip it in. Get it all nice and coat it. Looks delicious. Now it's time to try this corn. Are you ready? Look, it's got all the stuff on it, all the fixings. Definitely. Get more salt. Pour some more on there. The sauce is banging. It's delicious. I'll give it a 9 out of 10. So I never made this before. Never had it. And try it if you want. Okay? I'll see you next time. Bye.